Hey smart shoppers, let's get real about the CozyJet heater. You've probably seen the ads: revolutionary heat, cut your bills in half, and warm up your whole house in minutes. Sounds amazing, right? But here's what you really need to know in 2026. First off, CozyJet is a plug-in mini heater. It's one of those generic devices you'll spot under different names: handy heater, alpha heater, and so on. It's technically legit. It does produce heat. But let's talk about what it do. Those ads promising it'll turn your freezing living room into a sauna? Completely bogus. Science says all electric heaters are about the same efficiency. None of them magically create more heat from the same amount of power. So, claims about super efficiency or rapid room heating? Not happening. Most experts and Consumer Reports agree. CozyJet and similar heaters can barely handle a small bathroom or a tiny office, let alone a big space. People on Trustpilot and other review sites call them out for barely making a dent in the cold. Sure, it might take the chill off if it's parked a foot away from you, but don't expect more than that. Now, about safety. Some of these mini heaters have failed safety tests due to sketchy fuses or poor build quality. Always check for real safety certifications like UL, ETL, or CSA before plugging anything into your wall. So, is CozyJet a scam? The device itself isn't. It does heat, a little. But the real scam is the overhyped marketing and impossible promises. If you're looking for a real room heater, do your research, check reviews, and don't get fooled by flashy ads.